Not sure.
So this one is mine then.
No.
Class of 2020. Oh, it look nice.
Class
Okay, you know what? I'm gonna go ahead and sample.
1990.
It's 2020. 1990.
I don't even
Oh my
know
gosh!
which
You wanna say you're that old?
You're that old.
You wanna say you're that old? Class of 2020. Okay, so what are we doing today?
We are prepping our chicken for tomorrow. See our chicken here. We got it here. And what you got over here?
Okay, you can tell the audience what we got today. Let them know what we're cooking.
We have some
Okay,
garlic
first.
pegs right here. Some onion. Purple onion. Was it red onion or purple onion? And here we have our allspice, our complete seasoning, our garlic. What's here? Our Badia tropical seasoning, our jerk seasoning here also. Our ginger and turmeric and some vinegar to prep our chicken here.
Yes, we have a whole chicken here. This is a big, nice chicken. I believe this should be about, how much you think this is? About 5 pounds?
Possibly.
Possibly. 5 pounds. Okay, so let's give it a give and take. 5-6 pounds chicken. And Alexia already give you the ingredients of what we are using for the jerk, so we're not going to go over it again. She already did it already. And here we have some gloves of garlic, so you can put some garlics on it, some onions. But first, we need to go ahead and cut up our chicken to get that jerk chicken started. Okay guys, the first thing you want to do, you want to get some apple cider vinegar, just like this right here. And the reason why you want this is to what? Tell the viewers what we're using this for.
Make sure you clean your chicken properly. We don't want
Okay guys, make sure you wash your chicken real nicely. Get your chicken nice and washed. Sometimes people have food poisons because they don't wash their meat properly. Remember, always give your chicken a thorough wash. Vinegar. Let it soak at least for about 2 minutes into that vinegar water.
Now that our chicken is washed nice and clean, we're gonna start cutting up our chicken.
Okay guys, so to cut up your chicken, this is the whole chicken. So first of all, you want to cut it right between the breasts, all the way down. Let's get it right in the chest bone. Cut your chicken all the way down. Okay guys, so you open that chest
Cavity
just like that. And next thing you want to do, you want to cut it down this backbone right here. There's a backbone right here. You want to cut it right in half. So let's try to do that. Right here. Let's cut it all the way down. Get that chicken in 2 halves. So we're going to put half back in here. And we're going to go ahead and cut this part. You know, to cut up the chicken in half right here. Okay guys, so when you make jerk chicken, you want to have quarters. So you want to go and find that backbone right somewhere here. You're going to cut through this backbone. Careful not to
cut your thumb.
Cut yourself while you're doing this. Just be careful with the knife. Just like that. And then you're gonna feel through the chicken to find this little bone right here. See, it's good when you know where your meat at. See how easy that is? So what these are guys, these are quarters. So here we have the breast and the wing, and now we have the thigh and leg. So this is a quarter. When you're buying chicken in Jamaica, this is how they normally sell it. Sell it by a quarter, the drumstick and the thigh, or you buy the breast and the wing. This is the most expensive part when you're buying chicken in Jamaica. It comes with the breast and the wing. This costs more than this part. This is dark meat, this is white meat. This is the difference between them. Tell me why you don't like liver.
It just doesn't taste like it should be for consumption.
I mean, what type of liver? You talking about all liver or just some type of liver?
Chicken liver is so bitter.
Chicken liver?
Yes.
I don't care for chicken liver. But what about other livers like cow liver and goat liver?
Never had those.
You never tried goat liver before?
Nope.
Yeah, goat liver and cow liver is good. You should try cow liver and goat liver. Those are good livers. Okay, so this breast is kind of big, so we're gonna go ahead and try to cut it a little bit. Normally, if you were jerking this into for selling it, you wouldn't cut this. You'd sell it just like that. But for our purpose, we're gonna cut the breast in two, get it smaller, just like this. We'll keep the wing hanging on this one. Again, this is the thigh and the drumstick. Normally, if you were selling this, you wouldn't cut it. You just sell it, just jerk it the same way. We're gonna find the bone. You know, there's a joint right here. The joint right here. So you find that joint, and you can cut it to the joint without cutting the bone. Do you know that?
Yeah.
How do you know that? Who taught you? From biology class?
Yeah, we all have tendons and joints.
Okay, so we didn't finally get the bone, but it's good. All right, here we go. Okay, we're gonna cut this one again. I'm gonna find where the joint is. The idea is to find the joint. And cut through the tendon of the joint right here. So you get your chicken nice and even. I didn't really find it. Okay, so we have, go ahead and move the skin off of this. Do you like the skin on your chicken when you cook it? Or do you rather the skin to remove? Some people do and some people don't. What do you feel?
Sometimes I like the skin. Sometimes if there's too much skin, then I feel like it's a bit overwhelming.
So you rather some part is just half of the skin and some part remove?
Yes.
Okay, so have you ever have jerk chicken with festival?
No.
That's a good delicacy for Jamaican cuisine. Jerk chicken and festival. That's very nice. You should try, we should make some of that, right?
Maybe
Instead
one
of,
day.
we always make rice all the time. So rice and peas and other stuff. I think we should go ahead and make some jerk chicken with festival. Okay, guys, viewers and subscribers, our chicken is nice and washed. We want to drain off any excess water that's settled on the chicken. Make sure you drain this well nicely, and then you want to move on to your season process. Okay, guys, now we are ready to do some seasoning. Guys, the first thing we're gonna use is this brand seasoning. It's a green season, guys. See right here, this is called a green season right here. You can make this at home with a you can blend these seasoning yourself, or you can just go ahead and buy it. You know, one of these videos we're gonna make our own season, because we can make our own season as well. Okay, guys, we're gonna go ahead and put some turmeric on our jerk chicken. Let's go ahead and put some turmeric on it. Now, turmeric is good for you. I know you guys heard me say that all the time in the videos. The ginger go on your jerk chicken. You need that ginger. And we're also gonna cut up some real ginger too. So this is just some ginger powder right here. Let me get this thing open. Put a little bit of ginger powder on it, just like that. Guys, this is the real ginger. When you make jerk chicken, guys, you want to get that real ginger on it. Give it that real ginger taste. So go ahead and cut up some ginger for your jerk chicken. Okay, guys, let's see if ginger. Just pour your ginger in, just like that. Put your ginger in there. This is jerk chicken lesson 101. We have some garlic cloves.
Pegs.
Garlic pegs, or some people call it cloves. Just gonna go ahead and get some garlics in there too, guys. You know, the garlics, we have the powder, but we want to put the pegs, because the pegs is stronger than the powder. So just gonna cut it up. Okay, guys, take a look at this season on the jerk chicken. That looking delicious already, and we haven't even started to rub it in yet. What do you think about that?
Yeah, it's looking real good. Looking real properly seasoned.
Okay, we're gonna cut up some of this onion peg right here. Let's go ahead and cut this up. Show this garlic peg. Okay, guys, go ahead and put that cut up ginger, that minced garlics, not ginger. I already put the ginger in. This is my garlics. This thing, guys, is a
red onion.
What? Kept calling things a different name tonight. What's going on? Okay, guys, here's a onion. And we're just going and cut it up. Now we're doing a different type of cut up for this. We want to cut it up. We want to get all the
vertically and diagonally.
The season from the onion, all the stuff on it. This is a dice cut up. Alright. Okay guys, let's put the onion in there. Nice and easy. Just like that. Take a shot of that chicken, guys. Okay guys, we have some allspice. So we're gonna go ahead, like usual, and put a few beans in here. A few allspice bean, about this much. How many you think are in there?
Maybe 30?
Yeah, something like that. Okay guys, here's my grounded pimento. This is my allspice.
I'm just adding it in here.
There we go. Put that allspice. You want to know what that allspice does to the chicken?
What does it do?
Give it that real Jamaican authentic jerk chicken taste. Without the allspice, you wouldn't be having real jerk chicken. That's how important the allspice. Okay guys, viewers and subscribers, at this point you want to go ahead and give it a stir. Get that ginger, turmeric,
Brown seasoning,
yeah,
seasoning. What else? Ginger,
well,
allspice, pimento. We mix it all in.
We haven't put the jerk on it yet.
You did?
No, we haven't put the jerk season. We put the green season on it, but we haven't put the jerks. We put the we also put the ginger on it and the allspice, but we haven't put the jerk yet. This is just a rubbing bee season, so they can start the marinating process. And the marinating process is very important. When you season up your jerk chicken, you want to set it aside for how long?
Overnight.
Yeah, overnight is always recommended. Remember guys, when you season up your jerk chicken, it's best to do it like how we are doing it. Right now, it's in the night. It's about, what time is it now?
Around 10 o'clock?
It's about like maybe 9:50, almost 10 o'clock. And what we are doing guys, we are seasoning up the chicken right now properly. And we are gonna cook it tomorrow. We are not gonna cook this today. We are seasoning it up tomorrow. But when you guys watch the video, it's gonna be in one settings. But it's very important that you guys let it sit overnight. With a complete seasoning, and you have all type of different garlics, onion, thyme, all type of stuff, oregano. A lot of stuff is in this season right here. It's a complete season.
Allspice, you can see.
Yeah, there's a whole bunch of stuff in there. So we're gonna go ahead and put a little bit of this in there. So we're gonna give it that kick with the complete season. And you also have salt in there, so that's why you don't want to add no salt to it. This is a tropical season, guys. You have a whole bunch of good herbs and spice in here. Poultry season, also meat, and you can put this on your fish as well. If you're doing fish, this is also ideal for fish and poultry as well. All type of meat. So it's similar to the complete season. Just go ahead and put a little bit on it. There we go. Okay, guys, here we are with the jerk season. This is the jerk season, guys, and like I said, one of these days we're gonna be making our own jerk season. If you guys want to see us make the jerk season, guys, I show you how to make your own jerk season. Comment on the video and let me know if you want to see us make our own jerk season. So here we are. You want to get at least a spoonful of this thing. At least I'm gonna put about 2 jerk season on here.
From Grace.
It's a little bit of powdered jerk. And here to give it a little bit more kick, a little more flavor to it. Okay, guys, this is the part where you have to rub your jerk chicken good. So don't be afraid
Get your hands in
to
there.
get your hands in your meat, because if you don't put your hands in your meat, guys, you will not get the season marinating into the chicken the proper way. Because you can stir as much as you want, but it's not gonna taste the same.
Want to make sure that our chicken is coated correctly.
Yeah, you want to get that. See, when you use your hand, you can get the season to go down inside the chicken. So this is the breast right here, and you want the chicken to go inside of the breast. So you need to have your hands in here.
Chicken inside of the breast?
What?
There's no seasoning inside
Yeah.
the bread.
Correction, guys. You want your season to go inside of the breast. Oh man, this thing is smelling good. What do you think about the smell?
It smells delicious. I can't wait to cook it tomorrow.
Yeah, it smells real nice, guys. I feel like I want to go ahead and cook it now. But I know it won't taste the same unless I have it sit and marinating overnight. You know what I'm talking about. Can you dig it?
Yep. Now
Okay.
it's time to wrap up, guys. We got our aluminum foil so that we can lock in the
Look at that
juices.
chicken, guys. Look at that jerk chicken, guys. It's all set and ready to go. Now we're gonna make it sit overnight for at least 8 hours. It's gonna get at least 8 hours. 12 in the morning. We're gonna make it tomorrow, guys. So we're gonna get at least 8 hours of continuously marination going on. Is that a word? Marination? Okay, so you just wanna cover it up, guys. Cover it up right here. Just like that.
Lock in all those juices.
Wrap the edges properly so you want to get it airtight as much as you can. Wrap the edges so you can get all that seasoning stuck inside of there and marinate like we want it to be.